wet 2 seconds later.
Hi.
2 seconds later.
Hey, you doing Nathan? The gate just flew open.
Wait, it did?
Yeah. Look, flew open.
That's like dry my car off right now. Dry it off. Dry it off.
John, that's not what it is,
Prove
buddy.
it, John. Prove it.
No, you stop.
You stop.
Don't prove it,
stop.
John.
Hey, everybody.
It will work.
It's all gonna work.
Yes, it will. Not with it like this.
Oh
my God.
The cover plate.
Not with it coming down. When it's
Say
dried off, it will close. Yeah, for how long?
It's raining men.
It'll be a while. It'll be a while. No. Then don't do it, and everybody can be a witness. Don't feel like you're calling and you open it up.
Oh, witness. Do a clap foot.
As you can tell, she has shit falling off of her tree. She's like half that tree.
Oh gosh.
Take a picture.
You want to
Oh my gosh. Dude, even there's water on the water. I don't know what I just said.
He said there's water on the water.
We are all water.
I don't know if I can. Why supposed to be auto?
I'm pretty good.
Right now you are seeing John Boy trying to close our gate.
Both of them. The one by the gate and this one.
He looks like a clown right now standing in the middle of the road.
Stop getting the damn rag wet.
And as you can hear in the background, our
Our dogs are barking.
assistant Carrie is yelling
And
from
dogs.
the storm house.
And those are dogs.
because
Yeah, we also
she's
got
very
dogs.
impatient. Hey, I was talking in that. Yeah, you like that?
I don't know.
Photography.
Not that one, dummy.
Okay.
The other one, Dad.
No, with a forecast of.
The forecast shows it's raining.
It's 100% rain.
6.6.
It's 100% rain, but zero volcano. Volcano.
Raining dogs and cats. Hurricane Matthew 2K16.
See, I told you no guard.
Oh, and John Boy got
Now,
it.
watch how long it's going to stay that way.
Yay, it's working.
That's not.
It worked. Oh gosh, I almost slipped and fell on my face. That happens sometimes.
And
Burp.
we fixed the gate. There's a idiot.
Derp, 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 derp.
As you can see, John Boy finally has our gate closed.
Yay!
Let's zoom in on him as he's soaking wet. Poor John. Wonder what he has to say about that one.
Nothing.
We have rain coming in sideways.
Oh gosh. Dude, even the rain is getting rained on. Oh gosh. My phone's getting a bit wet.
My phone is not.
Dude, even the rain is getting wet. That is how wet it is. The rain is so wet.
Nathan, feel the call to the house, man.
Oh gosh.
I don't know what he just said.
A few.
Oh, why?
My weather forecast says 100% rain
You're funny.
and mostly death, but mostly rain as well. But mostly death. Oh. Oh gosh, what am I? What does it mean? Oh gosh,
Very sucks and I'm ready to come
I'm
home.
just getting rain now.
Hey, what do you have to say about that one?
Oh gosh.
He took care of it.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Hurricane Matthew 2K16.
See, when that wind goes sideways,
Yeah.